Greetings tech enthusiasts. Recently, there has been a report that AMD Ryzen 7000 CPUs were suddenly burning out and causing damage to the processors themselves, and in some cases to the connected motherboards. In response, AMD quickly got to the root of the issue and issued a timely AGSA firmware update for the 600 series AM5 motherboards that supports the next-gen CPUs. This firmware update limited the voltage to the chip to 1.3 volts. It was suspected that unsafe overvolting was the main culprit causing the thermal issues, so if you don't do any overclocking, you're probably safe. However, for those of you that are already overclocking, or are interested in overclocking, this news from AMD is probably a bit of a downer. They've essentially put a hard voltage cap on all Ryzen 7000 processors, which will limit your ability to push the components to incredibly high frequencies and voltages. But, don't despair. AMD has assured users that none of these changes will affect the ability of their Ryzen 7000 series processors to overclock memory. Additionally, there won't be an impact on AMD's Precision Boost feature, which is a sort of automatic smart overclocking mode. For anyone whose CPU may have been impacted by this issue, AMD is asking that you contact their customer support service. We know how tech enthusiasts feel the need to modify their hardware in order to maximize performance, and this news is sure to be a bit of a bummer. But, at least AMD was able to quickly identify the issue and release a firmware update that should prevent any further damage to processors and motherboards. This has been your Tech Radar update on the recent Ryzen 7000 CPU burning out issue. Stay tuned to us for more news and updates on tech, gaming and more.